Hello everyone, welcome back. A lot of iPhone 7 and 7 Plus users have been reporting that their iPhone lagging when unlocking it. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. So, without wasting any time, let's start the solutions. Solution number 1. Turn off rest finger to open. For that, first launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on accessibility. Under accessibility, tap on home button. Under home button, turn off rest finger to open. Now we go for solution number 2. Turn on raise to wake. For that, first go to settings, then tap on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, turn on raise to wake. Solution number 3. Turn on low power mode. For that, launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on battery and turn on low power mode. Solution number 4. Disable Hey Siri. Few iPhone users has said that there is no lagging issue if they turn off the Siri. For that, first go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on Siri and search. Under Siri and search, turn off Hey Siri. Solution number 5. Turn off passcode. For that, first go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on Touch ID and passcode. Now enter your iPhone passcode and tap turn off passcode to turn off. Solution number 6. Update your iPhone to latest iOS version. For that, go to settings and connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.